Hello everyone, welcome to Perfect Being Me. Today we're healing our body with herbs and spices in a vegetarian burrito. 1 avocado, mash it in a bowl, and add 2 tablespoons of red onion. Next, you want to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of cilantro. A rough chop will do. Add that to your bowl. And you want to grab a lime, squeeze about 1.5 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons in your bowl, adding your salt and pepper to taste. Give that a quick stir. Mash about 1 block of tofu, adding in 1 red chili. Dice it in small pieces. Now these are really hot, so if you don't want to use a red pepper that's really hot, you can always use a bell pepper. It works as well. Now this is a green Cubanelle pepper. It is hot as well. It has like a little kick to it. Here's the red pepper. Give that a quick dice and add that to your bowl of peppers. Chop a little bit of onion, I would say about 1 teaspoon of onion, followed by 3 to 4 garlic cloves. And this is going to add a lot of flavor to the mixture we're adding to our tofu. For your tomato, I always purchase tomatoes from the vine, from the farmer's market, and they're red, juicy, and delicious. I mean, they just pop in your mouth. They're so good. So you want to chop about 1, maybe a half a tomato, and add in 2 tablespoons of onion. Now this is about 1 garlic clove I'm adding to the salsa for taste and a burst of flavor. Cilantro, add that to your bowl, no more than 1 tablespoon. Followed by a squirt of lime, and a little more salt and pepper for taste. Easy, easy. Now I'm going to transfer this to a larger bowl so I can mix all the ingredients well. And there you have it. There's your salsa. Ta-da! Now add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to a skillet, followed by your garlic and onion. Give it a quick stir and reduce the heat to medium-low. Add in your hot peppers, stir that up. Now for the curry, I'm adding the curry, 2 tablespoons. It's an earthy spice, and the curry is known to reduce inflammation throughout the body. Now this is turmeric that I've added. It also reduces inflammation and acts as an antioxidant for your body. Pour in your tofu, give it a good stir. And I'm adding in the rest of my tomatoes here so they don't go to waste. A squirt of lime, stir that well. And reduce your heat, adding in a sprinkle of salt and pepper, and another squirt of lime if you want. Here I'm adding cilantro, just to boost the flavor a bit. This is your basil. I'm adding my basil for abundance, for peace, for love, for healing. And this is cumin, which is added to reduce digestive spasms. It manages high blood pressure and weight loss. So transfer your mixer to a bowl, and you want to grab a whole grain tortilla and spread hummus in the middle. I'm using hummus with garlic. Add in your guacamole, and now you're feeling. This is so delicious. The flavor, all the herbs and spices early in the morning. Can you imagine this for breakfast? This is different. So for those who are lactose intolerant, it's perfect. There's no cheese, none of that. It's just good herbs, good spices. Yeah, it's a healing burrito. It makes you feel good in the morning. And I'm adding more basil to this particular wrap, just for that extra earthy taste, that burst of flavor in your mouth. See, there you go, voila. I'll show you what this looks like. No egg, no cheese, just healthy dose of love. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe and like this video and share it with your family and friends.